Welcome to Spy Trader, your go-to podcast for all things related to the S&P 500. Today is July 15th, 2024. I'm your host, Dollar Bill, ready to break down market news, offer analysis, and give trading tips, all with a side of humor. Here's a quick joke to kick things off. Why do accountants love the wilderness? For the natural depreciation. Now let's dive in. First, let's discuss political turbulence affecting the markets. An assassination attempt on former President Donald Trump has caused the US dollar to spike and left Asian stocks mixed, while S&P 500 contracts remained mostly unchanged. Australian and South Korean markets experienced gains, but Hong Kong anticipates potential losses. This event may have longer-term impacts on sectors like energy, private prisons, and health insurers. Apple has reached an all-time high after analysts upgraded its price targets due to its venture into AI. The next-gen iPhones are expected to leverage generative AI, boosting Apple's stock and the overall S&P 500. This strategic shift is not just hype, it's a significant move that can drive sustained growth. Conversely, SolarEdge Technologies announced layoffs of 400 employees due to excess inventory and declining demand in Europe's solar market, leading to a 15% drop in its stock and a year-to-date decline of over 70%. However, there's slight growth in North American installations and plans to increase U.S. manufacturing. This pivot might save SolarEdge, but only time will tell. Now let's dive into some analysis. 1. The Trump incident highlights the relationship between geopolitics and market movements. While political risk often disrupts markets, seasoned traders remain calm, focusing on fundamentals like economic growth, monetary policy, and corporate earnings. 2. Apple's stock boost is crucial not just for Apple enthusiasts, but for the entire S&P 500. As the index's largest company, Apple's performance can influence overall market trends, especially in tech and AI sectors. 3. SolarEdge's challenges stress the importance of a diversified geographical strategy. Investors should consider regional market dynamics in their evaluations. Here are some trading recommendations. 1. Hold or buy Apple, AAPL. With Apple's strong AI focus and analysts' endorsements, there's a bullish case for continued growth. If Apple isn't in your portfolio, now might be a good time to add it. 2. Cautious approach on SolarEdge Technologies, SID. Despite its significant price drop, SolarEdge's difficulties in Europe suggest a wait-and-see approach, especially for risk-averse investors. 3. Monitor political-tied stocks. The Trump news could affect stocks in sectors like energy and private prisons. Companies such as Geo Group Inc. might see volatility, potentially suitable for short-term plays if you're willing to take the risk. To wrap up, stay informed and versatile. The interplay of politics, global economics, and market sentiment creates a dynamic landscape for the S&P 500. Focus on fundamentals and avoid getting swayed by headlines. That's it for today's episode of Spy Trader. I'm Dollar Bill, reminding you that in trading, information is your most valuable asset. See you in a few hours for the next update. Happy trading.